Hello, trading is closed on October 21st, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My call from yesterday was I was looking for a gap outside of the day's range because of the way the S&P opens. Now all at once you have to look at futures to judge the accuracy of the call. Right over here we had a futures high of 2031.50. At the gap here we had 2031.25, so the prediction was off by half a point. Close, but not quite. Notice how the support resistance from yesterday's MEJT pattern was very significant today. In any event, during the day, MEJT said ultimately higher prices would print. Here's the target, and that printed resistance over the target from this pattern and from this pattern. We had a big drop here. MEJT said it would not stick, it was false, and then on or after this time, prices would return to this price, which they did, and there was resistance over the price. Note resistance from the MEJT pattern here with these lines. And we don't have any new MEJT targets for tomorrow, but it shouldn't be too hard to come up with a call. This is not strong action. Here's a 15-minute chart. Here's some points that I find highly significant. Here's the gap up in the first reaction to the gap. This is from a few days ago. We had a series of higher highs and couldn't hold them. We retested this low, went back up, retested that high, and then fell below the low. To me, that's a significant drop. It doesn't meet Tom DeMark's sustainability criteria, but all that means is that we should return to this line, which isn't too far away. The fact that we have pretty much a wall into the close increases the odds we're going to have a gap up probably over this line tomorrow. We don't have to go any higher than that. If it went higher, of course, over these highs, it would invalidate today's action. I think that's a long shot, but you never know. That doesn't happen. This is a pretty big break. This is a pattern I've shown a number of times. I said the longer we stalled at this resistance area, the greater the chance we break through. Greater chance or not we didn't break through. We broke through the other way. We went under these highs and also under these highs. It needs to be confirmed by trading under today's close and ideally under today's low. But once that happens, I don't see anything stopping further declines. This is the pattern I've been showing a few days. Here's your 1x1 Gann fan line. That held. So we tested resistance, held. We have traded under this high and this high. It needs to be confirmed because if we just go straight up for here, it doesn't mean anything. But once this close and this low are undercut, I think we're going lower. So the call for tomorrow is a good chance of a gap up, a good chance we go a few points higher. And unless we reverse today's action promptly, that's going to be a false move and lower prices are coming, and that's today's call.